I'm starting with a PDF that is saved to my Google Drive. Before I assign this PDF to my students, I can annotate the PDF using Snap and Read. Here's how. Starting in Drive, double-click on the PDF to open it in preview mode. From your Chrome toolbar, confirm you are signed in to the Snap and Read extension. Click on the extension and choose Open PDF in Snap and Read. By default, autosave and Save to Google Drive features should be turned on. You can verify this by clicking on the disk symbol in the upper right corner. Click on the blue Edit PDF button to annotate this PDF. There are a variety of annotation tools available. You can insert a text box. For example, you could type additional directions for your students. Click anywhere on the PDF where you would like to insert the text box and begin typing. There are some basic text formatting tools available. Simply select the type text and choose a different font size, font type, or even a font color. You can highlight text that you want your students to pay special attention to. Choose the highlight color and then click and select text on the PDF to highlight. From the pen tool, you can use a paintbrush to freehand write something on the PDF. Again, there are additional colors to choose from. Click and drag on top of the PDF to use the pen. You can use a free-form highlighter by clicking and dragging. And an eraser. Again, click and drag to erase any pen or highlighting marks. The stamp tool allows you to choose from existing stamp designs. Select the stamp and it will be inserted on your PDF. Use the handles to resize. Click and drag into the position you would like the stamp to appear. You also have the ability to add a custom stamp. Here you can type custom text, such as a due date. You can add or remove the date and time using the check boxes, as well as create a custom color for this stamp. Again, you can resize, click and drag to move the stamp's position. Finally, you can insert a shape. You have a variety of options. I'll demonstrate with the oval shape. You can change the thickness of the line as well as the color of the shape. Simply click and drag on top to add the shape to the PDF. When you are done editing the PDF, click on the back arrow in the upper left corner. Now, when you open the PDF again, you will notice the annotations are now part of your PDF. Starting in the Classwork tab of Google Classroom, click on the Create button. Now choose Assignment. Give the assignment a title. Click on the Google Drive symbol and find the PDF in your drive. Select the PDF and click Insert. Be sure to select Make a copy for each student. Finally, click the Assign button. From the Classwork tab of Google Classroom, students will find their assignment. Then click View Assignment. They will click on the PDF that has their name on it. This will open up the PDF in Preview. From their Chrome toolbar, students should confirm they are signed in to Snap and Read. Then choose Open PDF in Snap and Read. Students will click on the blue Edit PDF button to annotate this PDF. Students have access to the same annotation tools that teachers do. To type on the PDF, students will click on the T symbol, which allows them to insert a text box. They will click on the PDF where they want the text box to appear, then begin typing. They can continue clicking on the PDF to add additional text boxes. When students are done editing the PDF, they will click on the back arrow in the upper left corner. Students will navigate back to their Google Classroom where they will close the PDF preview and click Turn In. Once the student has turned in their assignment, the teacher can click View Assignment and then open the student's copy of the PDF. Teachers will be able to see the student's annotations to the assignment.